appear ya with it. Now, now with it.
Where?
With it.
Wow.
A one name, Manuel. You only never know. This boy. Pineapple moncha. Oh, here, Manuel. Amazing, eh? You love pineapple so much. Sweet or not sweet, you like it.
Come back. You need to go by. Like a ball. For I'm going to take 1 hour, 30 minutes left.
Who is pineapple muncher here? Emmanuel.
Not unique.
That one. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. This one's so sweet. This one's so sweet.
So much sweet. Thank you.
That one just tastes like water.
That one's not sweet. This one's sour. This one looks sweet.
Oh, this one just
Thank
tastes
you.
like water.
It's glad. I don't want.
These ones are the most sweet, I think.
Is that one
I used
sweet,
to
Emma?
be a chicken muncher, but now I'm
Is that one sweet?
a pineapple muncher.
What is pineapple juice in the bowl?
Ma, this one will be the most sweetest.
Eat. Nah, thank you for feeding me. Thank you.
Oh, these two are not sweet at all.
Let mommy have the rest.
No, really, no. I'm good now.
Have this one.
I'm good though.
Pineapple juice.
Don't allow that thing to hit. Remove yourself from there.
Put in a pot.
Pineapple juice.
Can I have it?
It's back. Let me drink
Have
it.
it.
Let me drink it. Fine, drink it.
No, happy.
Oh,
Yeah.
it tastes like water. Tastes like water. No, what's that?
Emma, this is why you said you don't want to get older, isn't it? To keep enjoying all the privileges. Can you imagine?
Like this.
Thank God, Mama.